Creamy, cheesy, and just a few simple ingredients is all you need to make these delicious enfrijoladas. Hi guys, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I'm sharing a super easy but yet comforting recipe for bean enchiladas. In Spanish, they are called enfrijoladas, and we're gonna be making them with queso. Feel free to add anything else that you like, or you can do them vegan without any cheese, but it's just such a simple recipe. I love it, my kids love it, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be using some Queso Fresco. So I'm just gonna break it apart just so it's kind of like crumbly. And that way, once we make our enfrijoladas, the cheese is ready to go. Another good cheese to use is also Oaxaca cheese or Monterey Jack cheese. Those are all really good as well. So now for the tortillas, I'm gonna warm them slightly in the microwave just so they are soft and pliable, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. So let me go warm these up. Okay, so you can see these tortillas are nice and warm, and I just have a little bit of oil, and I'm just gonna dip my fingers and just kind of rub it a little bit on the tortilla. This one's kind of breaking apart just so that way they don't break apart when we dip them in the beans. All of the tortillas have oil on them, so now we're going to do the frijole sauce or bean sauce. These are my Peruvian beans that I made in the Instant Pot. I did make these yesterday, so for that recipe, go ahead and click on the iCard. But I have the juice of the beans still in here. This is 2 cups. And then I also have some chicken broth to kind of thin it out. But we're not gonna add it all at one time. We're gonna kind of see what consistency we get first. So let's blend these. Go ahead and add all the beans to a blender. And I'm just gonna add about a 1/4 cup first and see. Okay, so I actually think that that consistency is pretty good. So you do want it kind of soup-like, and I think that is perfect. So we're gonna go with that. We don't need any more chicken broth. Go ahead and add the bean puree to a skillet, and we're just going to cook it under medium heat until it warms up. Beans have simmered, they're nice and warm. Just give them a gentle stir. And now we're ready to assemble the enfrijolada. Okay, so I have my oiled tortilla here and just dip them. You can also use tongs if that's easier. And then have your plate ready. Then I'm going to add some cheese. Just like that, and just keep repeating it. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of the bean sauce on top. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of the queso fresco. So you can serve these enfrijoladas just as is, just with the beans and the cheese, or you can dress it up with a few more condiments, which I will show you guys right now. So I'm adding some sliced avocado. I also have some white onion that I've thinly sliced. You could do some pickled red onions too. Some chopped cilantro. You could do sliced jalapenos or serranos for some spice. I only had Thai chili peppers, so I'm adding those, which were nice and spicy. But just look how beautiful and colorful this looks now. All right, you guys, you saw how easy these enfrijoladas were to make. And adding all those extra toppings just really jazzes it up. It makes kind of a simple meal a little more elevated. Now for the taste test. The Queso Fresco adds a nice saltiness and creaminess. You can also drizzle some crema on top if you have that. And if you want more of a melting cheese, like Monterey Jack or Oaxaca, you can put that in the middle and then just the Queso Fresco on top, which is what I had planned to do, but the Queso Fresco inside is really good. Oh gosh, this is such an easy, simple meal. Good protein, good fiber. You guys have to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave me any comments below. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.